I thought I'd make some bread today. I do that now and then, even though I'm not a huge baker or anything like that. But I can make a simple quick bread. Today I'm also thinking about making that quick bread gluten-free. So I've got oats. We're going to make it with oats, and we'll make it with oat flour. Quick little tip. Oats are many times transported in the same containers as wheat products, so that's why a lot of times you'll see oat products that are not gluten-free. So look for the gluten-free. The GF here says it's gluten-free. You should be good. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to toast off our oats. I got the roasting pan, 1 cup of oats. We're just going to spread this out, and I'm going to throw it in my air fryer at about 300 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once I start smelling toasty oaty goodness, that's when it's coming out. That was about 5 minutes. So nice and toasty. Doesn't look too much, but it is there. I'm going to load this into our bowl here. It's hot, yeah. These now have to soak a bit. This step will help it, help soften these up and you don't get these hard chunks of oats in your bread. So we're going to take a cup of milk, and we're also going to take the sweetener for our bread, which is honey. So I got a half cup of honey here. We'll just mix this up, and this is going to soak for about half an hour. Okay? Be patient. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to get old Bessie back there warming up. Okay, while that's soaking, let's prep our pan. So I got this 8-inch loaf pan. I'm just going to give it a quick spray, mostly on the edges. Then I'm going to take a piece of parchment paper. Now mind you, it's not as wide as the pan. This has got round edges in it and it gets all crumply in the corners. But I don't need it to completely cover. So there we go. That's all I need. Okay, it's ready to put these batter together. The oats have been soaking for a good half hour now. We want them to get nice and hydrated. So I've got 2 cups of gluten-free, certified gluten-free oat flour, baking powder, baking soda, little bit of salt, so I've got also 2 eggs. We'll just give them a quick little mix. But while we're doing that, let's mix up our dry ingredients. This way we get all the leavening kind of evenly distributed. Just whisk it a little bit, you're good. So I got our eggs nice and mixed up. Add that in. We'll add our oats and our milk and honey combination. And let's stir this up. Now with this batter, since there's no gluten in there, you can mix it up pretty much as you want. There, nice and thick. Let's add it into our prep pan. Now while we're mixing, if you wanted to throw in, say, a cup of raisins or some blueberries, dried blueberries, or whatever dried fruit you want, you could have done that. It'd be really nice. One time I made this with dried blueberries, came out great. So this is going to go into the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. I'm going to start checking at about 40 minutes, do the little toothpick test. If it comes out clean, it's good. In the oven. Hey, it's done. Let's double check. Do the little toothpick thing. Clean as a whistle. Now the hard part. This has got to cool. And Rex has to run around for a little. I'll be back after it cools. Okay, it's cooled about 10 minutes. Time to pull this out. This is the reason why I like this little sling here. I just kind of loosened it a little bit on around the edges. Pops it right out. A little bit stuck in the pan. That happens. Here we go. Strip the paper off. We've got our bread. Okay, it's time to slice this open. Serrated knife is best. There you go. A little crumbly, but it's okay. There's no gluten in there and stuff like that, and that's probably why. Let's give it a taste. It's oaty. You get the sweetness from the honey. Just a delicious bread. I'll see you next time. Hey, while you're at it, check out videos over there. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Smash all those buttons down there. See you next time.